parent can be both fulfilling and challenging at the same time. From sleepless nights of caring for an infant to embracing positive discipline techniques for toddlers to helping teens navigate social media, parenting can be overwhelming. Parents, caregivers, and professionals are finding support through a partnership of agencies and organizations called the Hampton Roads Parent Education Network, or HRPEN. With a comprehensive listing, all parents can find education that meets their needs. The resources are listed in 3 categories according to the level of support. The first level, primary education, is focused on improving general skills and knowledge. Services can include information, referrals, resources, classes, webinars, and workshops. An example might be a first-time parent taking a Baby 101 class, dad joining a fatherhood group, or a caregiver discovering good nutrition habits for children. All parents can benefit from these opportunities. Secondary education is for parents experience a variety of life stressors that may affect the family's well-being. This includes custody struggles, behavioral or mental health concerns, parent incarceration, job loss, or any situation indicating extra support. Families can be self-referred or recommended by child welfare agencies, the court system, or other family organizations. These programs are designed to stabilize, support, and reduce stress while building the parent-child relationship. The third level is tertiary education, sometimes called treatment programs. These are geared towards parents who need comprehensive family-based programs that are longer in duration and can assess the family progress. Tertiary programs are designed to treat, prevent, or reduce the reoccurrence of child abuse or neglect. For example, families who are involved in foster care system whose children are removed due to abuse or neglect will benefit from the highest level of support to reunite their children. Some families may also benefit from clinical therapy services provided by licensed professionals. Links to parent education programs in all 3 levels can be found on the HRPEN site. For more than 25 years, HRPEN member agencies have adhered to the highest standard in parent education with the priority of making information, resources, and support available for all families in Hampton Roads. How are these high standards measured? We use terms like best practice and evidence-based. Best practice is the benchmark for quality. The methods and techniques used have consistently shown results superior to those achieved by other means. Consistently over time, they have proven effective results in supporting family well-being. Programs that are labeled evidence-based are required to go through extensive review to give evidence of the effectiveness of the program. The use of assessments before, during, and after help ensure parents understand the materials and are able to use the skills they are learning. The goal in all cases is to improve parental practices and to decrease risk of child maltreatment. Another part of best practice is wisdom learned from providers and families themselves. We often say it this way: families need to know we care before they care what we know. This means educators, facilitators, and practitioners meet families where they are, being respectful of cultural differences, emphasizing that all families have strengths, offering a consistent message regarding positive parenting and raising healthy children, and being sensitive to a person's past or present trauma experiences. All these help build supportive relationships with families and lay the foundation for lasting change. HRPEN's primary mission is to connect families to these great educational opportunities. Another valuable website is the Virginia State Parenting Education Coalition, or VSPEC. The coalition started more than 20 years ago and provides a best practice toolkit on their site. Both are compatible with federal guidelines for child welfare. 2 credible sources that help determine if a program is proven effective are California Evidence-Based Clearinghouse and Family First Virginia, an initiative of the Virginia Department of Social Services. Both agencies provide a continually updated listing of parent education programs. The HRPEN site lists member agencies providing parent education, as well as a link to the Virginia State Circuit Court site that lists providers of the 4-hour co-parenting program. Other valuable sites include resources757.org for services and supports throughout Hampton Roads, including housing information and other tangible resources. vafamilysped.org, a comprehensive resource listing for parents of children with special needs. And to learn more about trauma-sensitive care and the Hampton Roads Trauma-Informed Community Network, CHKD's Child Advocacy Center page. HRPEN is co-chaired by Children's Hospital of the King's Daughter and Hampton Healthy Families. HRPEN members are committed to establishing best practices in parenting education and ensuring access to all families in Hampton Roads.